Hello, good evening. I'm here to take questions. I am here to take questions. And what is the title? How to enter your pleadings. We are talking about removal proceedings. If anybody in removal here, they have their master hearing. This is your best opportunity to ask your question, okay? So I'm here. Please like, please share. Anybody here, say hi in the comment. I'll be right back. Hi, Adiudum or Lisa, how are you? Hello, how are you? So we are here to talk about removal proceedings. Anybody in removal, let me know in the comment. Ola Kunle Jembeji, how are you? This is your first time? Yeah, I haven't seen this name before. Schmidt. Oh my God, Schmidt, how are you? Long time ago, huh? You don't come to the live station anymore. You finally got your green card. So did you get your green card and you don't come to this live session anymore? Bon dia. How are you? Please like, by the way, please like and share. We are talking about removal proceedings, how to enter your pleadings. Oh, not yet. Okay. Well, I hope you get it. We're talking about removal proceedings. Uh, Oludare. Hello, how are you? Thank you for coming. By the way, once you get in the system, just please like, please share. We're talking about removal proceedings, how to enter your pleadings. What is pleadings? First of all, when a person has been served with the notice to appear, uh, and they have to present themselves before the immigration judge for the first time, it's called master hearing. That's when they enter the pleadings. They're going to plead to those allegations, whatever things that DHS I said on the notice to appear, they're going to plead on it. Either they're going to admit those allegations or they're going to deny those allegations. They're going to concede removability and they're going to talk about what is their defense. So that's when you have to say exactly what you're going to do as far as defense is concerned. And if any facts on that notice to appear is incorrect, you have the opportunity to let the court know so they can fix it. Okay. For example, if they say you enter without parole, but you actually enter with parole, that's your time to say, no, this is not correct. I enter with parole. And then you provide proof of it. Then you have the opportunity to say what type of defense. If you have adjustment of status as a defense, that's when you're going to say it. If your case is still pending, I-130 pending with USCIS, then going to tell the court to either administratively close the case or continue the case or terminate removal in some instances, some circumstances, or so that you can adjust with USCIS. If your defense is asylum, that's the time you talk about asylum as well as a defense or cancellation of removal. It just depends. Or you're just going to argue those allegations, right? That's the time you do it, when you enter your pleadings during your master hearing. And it's better to do everything that day because sometimes the court will not allow you to amend those pleadings later on. It gets complicated. Okay. Oh, you are in removal proceeding, but I have an approval I-130 based on marriage to U.S. citizen. Okay. It's been over a year I have been approved, but my removal proceeding court date is being changed so many times. Well, if you have a I-130 approved, what you're going to have to do is file a motion to terminate removal proceedings. That's what I usually ask people to do, unless you want to just in court. You file a motion if your case is open and you have I-130 already approved. The best way to go about it is to file a motion to terminate removal proceeding based on I-130 approval, so that you can continue with the green card with USCIS. I mean, that's what we do. I don't know what's going on with your specific cases. Oh, you don't have a good lawyer. Oh, I see. Maybe that's why. Because if somebody really has the I-130 approved and their case is pending, like the case is open, that's the easiest way to terminate removal. Olokule, Jimmy, you gotta be kidding me. You have to tell your lawyer what to do. Yes, please tell your lawyer to basically file a motion to terminate removal based on I-130 approval, so that you can continue your case with USCIS, because your case is open. The people who have problems are the people who have been ordered removed already. Then they have to beg ICE to reopen their case. But your case is open already. It's just pending. That's easy. Like, you file a motion in 13 days, they decide whether they're going to terminate removal or not. Really. Wow. Anyway, Gonzalez, nice. Thank you for coming. Who else? Thank you for coming. By the way, please like, please share. But if you have a question, just put it in the comments. If you need a consultation, that's different. You can schedule it. All my consultation links are in the description box. Hi, Miss Silly. How are you? Long time. You even wrote your own motion, and then you was denied because you, yeah, even I will deny it because you have a lawyer. That's their job, to file a motion, because you have a lawyer. So if they can't file the motion, maybe you should consider getting another lawyer and paying another lawyer's fees and asking for your refund. I mean, I don't know what's really going on, because I can't really talk about it because I don't really know exactly what's going on. But the only thing I know is that if somebody has an approved petition and their case is pending, which means the case is still open with immigration court, they can actually terminate removal proceedings based on an approved I-130, as long as they can prove that they're eligible to adjust status, which is really the easiest thing to do, to be honest. When you have an approval and you can show that you're eligible to adjust, it's much easier. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh, yeah, you good. Nice to hear that. Nice to hear that you're doing good. We are just here talking about removal proceedings, what exactly we have to do when we have a master hearing. Gotta be prepared to basically tell the court exactly what we want. That's the day you have to tell exactly what you want. If there's some type of relief that you're waiting from USCIS, then you're gonna notify the court as well. If you want to correct some mistakes as far as the allegations are concerned, that's when you notify the court as well. Pretty much that's exactly what you do on your master hearing. And if you have something to ask, that's when you ask as well. You can ask to dismiss the case, if especially in this current environment now, because it's there's a most like the memo going on, the doily memo going on. That's exactly what you're gonna do. So yes, okay. Yeah, Ola Kule, you're so funny. I can't believe this is happening to you. I mean, it happens to a lot of people because, yeah, this immigration thing is crazy. Hi, Swala, how are you? Nice to see. This is actually the first time you come to my live session. Nice to see you, Swala. Please, by the way, please like, please share. Okay, please like, please share. um this is how we grow the channel. You gotta be sharing and liking and commenting. If you have a question, just put it in the comment. If you need a consultation with me, all the consultation links are in the description box below. um that's it. We're talking about removal. Anybody who has a question about removal proceedings or anything that has to do with immigration in general, just put it in the comment. Okay, I don't think we have any. By the way, you have to like, because we have a lot of people here. You have to like. I don't know if we have immigration news. Let me see what we have as far as immigration news are concerned. I don't think we have. I mean, we do always have news, but I'm talking about like the major thing going on. By the way, USCIS is going to increase their filing fees in the coming week. Okay, if you have something like a green card application to file, I-130 to file, VAWA, anything that you have to file. VAWA doesn't have fees, but renewal of work permit, um, anything that you have to pay fees, just know that the fees are going to be increased. So it's time to really like file your petitions. Yeah, it's time to file your petitions because it's going to be increased. Yeah, so yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. Ola Kunle, can I help you? Of course I can help you, but you're gonna have to like hire me, basically terminate your case with the other lawyer, then hire a new lawyer, then we're going to file a motion to substitute counsel and take over the case. But if you already pay a lot of money over, because I'm going to charge you again full price, if you already pay a lot of money over there, so it's better to continue with them or get a refund. um yeah. By the way, if you would need a consultation or la cool, you can schedule it. Consultation links is in the description box below. Yeah, in order to get your case, I'm gonna have to talk to you first. We're gonna have to do a consultation. Let me just give you the consultation link right away. Okay, let me see. Pending aside, should I change to marriage or to expedite? Okay, you got it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, if you want to change to marriage, well, it's not like you're gonna change, or Lisa. It's not like you're gonna change. It's still there pending. If you want to file for marriage, you file. You're not changing anything. You're just filing for a different thing. If you want to file for marriage, you file. I mean, if you qualify for marriage, you file for marriage. If you want to expedite your case, you file for expedite request. It's not like you're changing this case over this case because that case is still pending there. So you're just filing a different case. I hope you got it, right? Olisa. By the way, Olisa, please like my video and share. So what else is going on? Let me see what else is going on. Yeah, I don't see any major news as far as news are concerned. Yeah, I don't see any major news. How many times can you file for expedite? Okay, the way expedite works is like if you have additional uh, information of basically different from the previous information, because remember, if they deny the first expedite, it's because the whatever we provided wasn't sufficient in their eyes, right? So if you want to file, you're going to allow maybe at least 60 days and then bring additional proof, then refile. So you, to answer the question, is you can file as long as you have new proof, because if you have the same proof, it's just going to get denied as well. And then you have to allow some lapse of time between the filings. I recommend at least 60 days um, with, with new information. But if it's just pretty much the same, similar, nothing extreme, yeah, it's just not going to work. It's just going to result in the same response, because sometimes, to be honest with you, those people, they don't read it, they just go with previous history, they make a decision. So you have to have really something a little bit extreme than what you already provided. So that's how I'm going to answer that question. Okay, what else? Who else has a question? Yeah, Olisa. Olisa, what you're going to have to do is reach out to your congressman, because you already did your interview. It's just about the decision. Reach out to your congressman and ask them to help you contact USCIS on your behalf so they can give you a decision for your asylum that you already went for the interview. That's just if you really want to know the decision, right? Because some people, they don't really want to know the decision because they're not sure about what's going to happen to them. Yeah. So anybody else? I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for questions. That's it. Okay. Anybody else has a question, please? If you don't have a question, so I'm just going to have to, hang up. Ah, they're working on it since 2 years ago. Oh my gosh. 2 years ago, they haven't. Yeah, that's when you file a lawsuit. That's the only thing that's gonna bring you, if you really want that response. Yeah. Or Lisa, if you really want that response, you have to file a lawsuit because 2 years it's a long time to wait for a response. Yeah. How much you charging to do application for parole humanitarian? I don't, Diana family, I don't do parole. Humanitarian parole, I don't do it. The I don't do like visitor visa. I don't do humanitarian parole because it's easy, you know. It's easy to do it. Anybody can do it. Um, that's why I don't do it. I do difficult stuff. I talk about it here on my channel, but I don't like do it because those are like easy stuff to do. It's just an application. The only thing I can do is a work permit because sometimes people work permit get denied. But those humanitarian parole, it's like luck. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, let me give you you can call those you are in Georgia, right? You can call those non-profits. Sometimes they can do it for free because it's really the easiest thing to do. Let me see. Georgia, let me see if I can. Yeah, Diana and family, you should download that, put that website. You can download a list of pro bono lawyers. They do those humanitarian parole. It's like for free, really. Even the Catholic Church, charities, they'll do it for free. Just did you see the the link I just posted after you say yes? Yeah. Put it in your browser. You see all the lists for Georgia. Okay, Child Amos. Okay, try to expedite September. No feedback. What can I do? Of course, I'm waiting for court date. Well, you try to expedite what? Your hearing? Usually, if the I'm not Child Amos, I'm not sure exactly where you currently stand, like with immigration courts or with BIA. So it's really difficult for me to answer that question. Um, yeah, if you can elaborate more on your question. Oh, you work permit with USCIS. Oh, yeah. Try to call them over the phone because it's USCIS. Just call them over the phone and say that I try to expedite my work permit. Uh, I don't see any response because when a person expedites a work permit, they have to get a response within 10 days, whether they agree or not. It's only 10 days. Nowadays, it might take 30 days. Just try to call USCIS, or you can reach out to your congressman as well. Yeah, congressman as well. Mm-hmm. Okay. I filed I-730 for my child before, which got approved. Now I'm a citizen. Filing I-130. So page No, Abdul, you have to tell me. I can't go to I-130 try to find that question. You have to say, what is the question? You can copy that question and put it here. What the question is asking is, the question is very clear there. You just have to copy that question and put it here. How can you find the congressman? Oh, okay. Let me show you how to find the congressman. Find the congressman. This is what you do. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen for a minute. This way, everybody will know how to talk to their congressman. I've done it before. I'm just gonna do it again, because I've done it already, but I'm just gonna do it again. Okay, congressman. I hope you can see, right? You just Google congressman website. I usually put congressman website. Okay, when you just put congressman website, it's gonna show you find your representative. Okay, you click on it and then you go here, enter your zip code. Okay, for example, I'm putting my zip code in DC. My zip code is 20006. Okay, when you put your zip code, it's going to tell you here who's your representative. For us in DC here, we have this woman. Okay, the lady. Then you click on the website of the person, and then when you go to the website, depending on who, you just have to find where it says I need help with federal agency. Okay, usually it's somewhere. It's gonna show I need help with federal agency. Okay, I don't know here where it says service. Okay, for a web page it says service, but what you're really looking for is help with a federal agency on any representative website. Okay, when you click on it, everybody has it's different. You just want, the only thing you want to find is help with federal agency. Okay, once you find it, depending on who, it's going to tell you to fill out a form. For example, immigration cases, they will say, for example, on her, it's say need for all immigration cases. Okay, I need help with all immigration cases. You click on it, it gives you a waiver, privacy waiver. Then you fill out the form. That's it. Stop sharing. You got it? Charles Amos, you got it? I hope you got it. Oh, okay, to change. Well, first of all, if you want to change your status, people change status. Oh, you got it. You're welcome. Finally, you got it. Right? You're welcome. Well, Janice Volter, I want to change my status. There's only two ways to change status, either through family or employment or humanitarian. Humanitarian is usually asylum, U visa, T visa. Family is either marriage to a U.S. citizen or a child who's a U.S. citizen petitioning for you. Those are immediate relative in your case, right? Or the employer petitioning for you, employment. Those are the only three ways you can change status. To family, immediate family, of course, employer petitioning for you, or humanitarian visas. But employer is a little complicated if the person is out of status. That becomes complicated because they cannot adjust status because they're out of status. If you're still within that three months visa status, and they deploy a file for you and it works faster, then yes. Other than that, family will be pretty much the way to go. Okay? I hope you guys got it. Yeah, Abdul, really, you have to just copy the question and put it here, then we will know what to answer, how to answer you. You can't be sending me to go find that file. No. It's not gonna work like that. Sorry. Just copy the question, put it there. What exactly the question says. Because I don't remember all those questions in my head. Humanitarian visa is possible. U visa, if you, well, you have to know, first of all, what humanitarian visa is, right? Humanitarian visa is asylum, but for French people, I don't think a person can win asylum because your country is stable. U visa is if you're a victim of a crime on the American soil, then you can file for a U visa. T visa is pretty much for victim of human trafficking. So you have to qualify for it in order to file for it. I'm just talking about in general how people change status. Yeah. In your case, to be honest, it's only family based. Marriage, or if you have a child who's a US citizen. But the real question, Abdul, the real question is, have you filed? If you have filed for him before, then, like you said, you filed for the person before, right? And where did you file for that person? Was it here or outside of the person? You filed for the person. You filed for, okay, you filed for the person. The answer is yes. Okay, now you ask, should I put the state where live or USCIS address? You have to put USCIS because I believe you file here in America. Because they're not asking for that person address, they're asking where you file for that person. Yeah, they're asking where you file for that person. So that you have to put where you file for that person. It's supposed to be USCIS because you filed for that person when you were here. They are not asking you for where the person lives. It's a different question. You're welcome. You're welcome. Janice Voltaire, you're welcome. By the way, Janice Voltaire, please like, please share, please like, please share. Anybody else has a question so we can wrap up? Anybody else has a question so we can wrap up? I guess I answered everybody's questions. Okay, since I've answered all your questions, your job is to like and to share my videos so that YouTube will be able to show it to a lot of individuals. Okay, that's how we grow the community. I hope you help me sharing this video. Okay, who else has the last question? This is the last question. Okay, your I-140 was approved. Asylum case not decided. Still waiting for which is not listed on the calendar. That's when you file a motion for uh, for a hearing. Yeah, you file a motion so that they can put you on the schedule. Your lawyer should know that. Yeah, that's when you file a motion so they can put you on your on the schedule, to put you back on the calendar, or motion to recalendar, or motion to calendar, motion for the hearing. Yeah. So, and then the other question is, why will your case be pending with USCIS without Abdul, let me give you where you can get those people to fill up this application for you for free, okay? Because I feel like you don't want to pay for consultation. You don't want anything. Everything I'm saying, I don't think you really listening. Let me just give you, you can call those people. They can help you fill out that form for free, okay? You live in New Jersey. Because I can't be responsible of the things that I don't see. One question. New Jersey. Let's see, New Jersey. So Abdul, that's the link. Go to this link. Yeah, try to call those organizations so they can help you fill out the form correctly. Okay? Because whatever I'm saying, you're not listening. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Piva Soya. I guess this is it for today. Thank you for coming. Please share. Please like. Until next time. Bye-bye.